It's Sunday, the 5th of January 2025, and last night we have had some snow, but it's melting now quite fast. So I'm at the end of the road now, and on the grass area we've got quite a lot of snow. Avenue there, a little bit treacherous as you come down to the junction. Looks very nice. The sky's very grey. There doesn't look a lot of snow in the sky. It looks more rainy now. So let's head up here a little bit and see how much snow there is on the estate. I'm walking up Windmill Avenue, and there's like 2 car tracks. Very windy, and the wind is very cold. So they have gritted the road here, and it has kept it open. Look at the snow on all the roofs of the houses here. It looks lovely. So it's heavy wind, and there's like a real fine drizzle in the air as well. It's amazing, that is, really, because I've just looked at my watch and it does say it's no degrees. So you'd think it would be snowing, wouldn't you? So I'll carry on. We'll carry on up Windmill Avenue here to Stonebank Road. Like I say, it's actually hurting me head. It's that cold. So we're at the junction of Popular Drive now here. And yeah, that road's passable as well. And I wouldn't have thought the grit would have gone along there, or it might have done because there is a school. Just have a look back where we've come from there. Like I say, the road's passable. I'm walking in the road and I haven't seen a car yet come past, so cars must be staying off the road at the moment. And speak of the devil, we'll have to get on the pavement. Here's a car. So that's the first car I've actually seen out on this walk on this Sunday morning with the snow. So I might have to abandon this video in a minute because we have got a lot of drizzle now coming on, and the drizzle is quite heavy, so we don't want it to wet all the camera equipment. So we'll see in a second whether we need to stop making this video and turn round, or whether we carry on. I haven't brought my umbrella. So that's a shame. If I had, we probably would have been staying dry. So I'm virtually coming up to Stonebank Road now. So here we go, Stonebank Road. Let's take a walk along there and have a look here. Look at the houses and the gardens here, absolutely covered in snow. And there's a car coming from behind me as well, so that's the second car I've seen today on this walk. How busy it'll be when we get onto the main road and we go onto Kidsgrove Bank. We'll have to see when we get there. Just going walking the tyre tracks here, it's easier walking. And just listen for any cars that come. Looks as if the main road is quite clear, which we'll have a look at when we get to the end in a minute. So parking's always bad here on Stonebank Road. You've got cars parked both sides of these terraced houses. It does make the road very, very narrow. And we're just heading now to Stonebank Stores and Kidsgrove Bank. So we'll check out in a minute how open Kidsgrove Bank is, whether there's a great deal of snow on there or whether the gritters have been and kept it open. And then we'll head down Kidsgrove Bank, back along Long Grow onto Ravenscliffe and back home and end the video. Here I am, Kidsgrove Bank, and yeah, the gritters have done a really, really good job. There's just a little bit of snow in the middle, but nothing serious. Plenty of snow on the footpath and in the fields. But when you think how they were saying yesterday how much snow we were going to have, we've got nothing. I expected this morning wake up and probably have 3 or 4 inches of snow, and I thought I would be doing a video coming down here for you today where this bank is completely closed and no traffic getting up or down, which hasn't happened now for quite a while. Look at all the snow in the woodland area here, and just here we've got the fence down, and I think this is where trees over the last few weeks in all the real bad wind have fell and broke the fence. So they need to replace the fence here. Look, it's completely down and lying in the footpath. And if you look here, you can see the big tree there that's obviously fell and knocked it down. And just walk in here and have a look at these other trees that are down here. So it's a very wooded area, and somewhere I've never been really, because like I say, it's always fenced off. But I've managed to get in there today because the fence is completely down and broken. Let's carry on with the walk down Kidsgrove Bank here. Very, very, very grey day. Oh, and just what I'll point out to you there, look at this tree on the fence here. So that's going to knock the fence down here. That one's cutting down. So all round Kidsgrove over the last few weeks we had the mini tornado that hit. That took all the woods out near Bath Pool and on the corner of the avenue. And we've got loads of trees down everywhere else as well. So it makes you wonder whether a lot of these trees are actually safe here in Kidsgrove, because they're probably well over 100 years old, and people have put posts and notices up saying they're rotten, and a lot of them are ready to fall. So that could be very, very true. So I'm approaching now the Crown and Thistle pub, which is here on the left hand side. but that was quite busy last night. And then across the road on the right there, that's where apparently they're going to build houses. So they have been clearing the land and they put that fence up, but that was done a couple of years ago, and not a lot's happened since. Crown and Thistle have still got the Christmas decorations up there. So like I say, Kidsgrove Bank, they have kept it really, really good. Pavements are slippy, but as I say, the actual bank, really, really good, and no problems there really at all. You get up there very, very easily. The mess where they've put all that wood across there, and just there where they put the gate, you can actually see it's falling down. So that one's sorting out. If they're not going to do anything, sort it. And we've got a van parked here with a branch of a tree fell down on it. So I've got Aldi to the right there. I bet you that'll get busy today. There'll be some people shopping in there, no doubt. So I'd say it's drizzling quite heavy, so it will be melting this snow. But I've just had another look on my watch and it still does say it's 0 degrees. So very weird that it's so cold and drizzling and not snowing, and the snow's melting at that sort of temperature. Normally at 0 degrees you don't get the snow melting. Aldi looks open and ready for business. There's quite a few cars actually in the car park there, so even though it's early, it does look like the store is getting busy. So we're coming to the Plough now, the Plough pub. Another nice pub in Kidsgrove, quite a busy pub as well, from what I gather. And again, I bet you that was quite busy last night. So I'm approaching now the first set of traffic lights in Kidsgrove, and we're going to turn left and go along Long Road. But I've just noticed here, I'm just going to zoom in across the road there, which I can't see at the moment. I'll have to show you in a second. We've got a massive flood. Just shows you there, looking at that flood, how much water has actually come down in the night. It's right across the road. I think that car there wanted to turn, but he's gone that way, saving through the huge flood. So I haven't actually seen a car yet going through that, and we've got one here now. A car, I think, going to go through this massive flood here now. And yeah, that looks really, really deep. I'll have to see if he does go through in a second, and here you go. Through they go. And there's another one going through there. In the road now, and I'm getting into Longro. We've got Tongxing, the famous Chinese there, and like I say, it's getting duller and duller here now. So whether we're going to have some heavier rain, I don't know. So let's carry on along Long Row. Somebody's knocked the sign over there, it's leaning over quite bad. And we've got the old Kidsgrove police station there, which is now flats. So Ravenscliff Road and Long Row, that does look okay as well. It does look quite clear. And passable. Can't tell you how cold it is. I really do feel very cold. I felt cold all on this walk I've done this morning for you. As well, really, how many people are walking up and down in this snow today. So even the bank here is quite passable. Cars are getting up and down really easily. So I've enjoyed the walk around Kidsgrove today. So I hope you've enjoyed it as well. I will end the video here. So please like, please share, and please subscribe.